Hello, class. So the professor has posted a question for us. He wants to know if we can solve this equation using the elimination method. So let's do that. 4x minus y equals 50, and 25x plus 14y equals 920. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to try to get this y variable to equal negative 14y, so we can eliminate this y variable altogether. What we're going to do is we're going to multiply this entire equation by 14, since y is already negative. So 4 times 14 equals 56. So we have 56x minus 14y equals 50 times 14, 700. Now let's work these equations out. 25 plus 56 equals 81x. These two cross out, so we have plus 0 equals 920 plus 700, 1620. Divide both sides by 81. 81 divided by 81, we have 20. X equals 20. So there's our first variable solved. X equals 20. So now we can plug it in to this original equation here. 4 times 20 minus y equals 50. Multiply this, we have 80 minus y equals 50. Subtract 80 from each side. We have negative y equals negative 30. Divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. We have y equals 30. And let's plug these two equations into, or those two possible solutions into our equation and see if it's true. 4 times x equals 20 minus y, which was 30, equals 50. We know this equals 80 minus 30 equals 50. So that's true. Let's try it on the other equation. 25 times 20 plus 14, y was 30, equals 920. 25 times 20 equals 500, plus 14 times 30 equals 420. That does equal 920. So our solution set was 20, 30. That is how you solve using system of elimination. Thank you, guys.